Hello guys and welcome back to my new video. Today I will show you how to make wide shake transition in Capcut. So let's start the video without wasting time. Arrange your clips according to your song beat. Then add keyframes at the starting and ending point of your clips. Now zoom your clips like this. Apply to all clips. Then add Graph Flow 2 for smooth zoom. Apply to all clips. Now at the starting of second clip, add shake effect. Then split to the half of clip. Click object and select all video. Add keyframe to shake effect. Now adjust the speed to 38 and intensity to 50. In the second keyframe, set value to 0. Duplicate the shake effect. Then add wide angle effect. Split like this. Add 2 keyframes and wide angle effect. Adjust the value like me. Then add Graph Ease Out. Now duplicate the wide angle effect for better transition. Apply to all clips. Add Vignette effect. Apply to all clips. Now add Black Flash effect and adjust the values like me. Go to animation and add fade in and fade out in the last clip. Click on transition and add pull in. I hope this video will help you to improve your editing. Thanks for watching.